Gold prices are up on Monday morning, but not after a tough day on Friday after a better than expected jobs report showing a trend that the labor market may be improving. Here to talk to us about it today is Phil Streible. Phil, it's good to have you back.
Well, thanks for having me. So, yeah, looking at the gold market, it's bouncing about $10, $12 here this morning. I don't really expect that significant of a move, especially after Friday's fallout. Seems like that had anybody who caught that little bounce, that first bounce up about a week and a half ago, those people were all pressed back out. I anticipate that we'll start to move back down, fish out the stops. I'd say the resistance point's up at 1250. But with that jobs number, I think that that's just reaffirming that the Fed is getting closer to making some kind of move on tightening up rates and pulling back on QE.
A number of analysts I was talking to on Friday, and then a lot of notes that have come out since then, have suggested that the Fed will begin tapering in September. Does that mean we're going to see some new support or maybe even some new trading levels for the yellow metal?
Yeah, I think what will happen is coming into that tapering, we'll probably see a sell-off continue, this downward trend. Once the actual, indication on the tapering, when you see that bond buying programs drop down, whether it's, 75, 65 billion per month, I think that's the day that the gold sells off, makes a lower low, comes back and has a key reversal on the day. I think it's one of these, sell the fact, or I'm sorry, sell the rumor and then buy the fact once it comes out. So I anticipate a bounce come September.
So as we head into the middle of the summer months, which are typically more quiet months in the markets, do you expect gold to still have a really volatile time?
Yeah, I think we're going to have this trading range. We'll work our way down. I wouldn't be surprised to see, that 1179 tested again. We push down to that level, probably even break down to 1150. But I think it's going to be this $100 range. So I would anticipate that margins most likely still get hiked up on the gold market as this volatility continues.
All right, Phil, we appreciate your help. Thanks so much.
Thanks for having me.
You heard Phil. He's looking at as far down as 1150. We're going to see a $100 trading range he expects for the street. I'm Joe Deaux.